I'm truly honored to accept this award as the Best Emerging Travel Company in the UK 2024 by the Golden Frame, and I thank Mr. Malik for having this event again. This achievement is just not mine alone. It belongs to our incredible team, Mr. Kenneth, our loyal customers, parents, and my beloved wife who have believed and supported from the very beginning. Thank you very much.